Kung ka magkaroon ng kasuwag usurpation?
Usurpation.
Oo.
Si...
Isa pa, Ruben Padilla, papriso na to.
Sabi kaso ng Ruben Padilla nga.
Ito, kaya pa sige pa. Bunggo pa de.
Bunggo.
Bunggo. Oo. So pila na lang. Matatalag 18.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to the clubhouse. I've got a big surprise for you.
Disney Junior's Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Plus.
I can't wait to see ya.
Monday mornings on Disney Channel.
I think I'm more of a land mammal. Brace for impact! Whoa.
If we're going into that jungle, we need to suit up for the job. Whatever this island throws at us, we'll be prepared.
We are so not prepared! Run! I am running! I'm a bulldog! This is as fast as I can go!
This summer,
Dino Island is the greatest discovery in the world.
I'm Rex. Why don't you let me show you around? Yeah! Welcome to my home sweet home. Whoa! It doesn't have a big screen TV or Wi-Fi.
Ah,
That's just my iCloud. He's always watching.
This island has the biggest diamond mine in the world.
come here, beautiful.
When in doubt, we blast it!
That's a volcano!
you're going to destroy the island.
We need all the help we can get!
Witness a big screen event
Stay cool, little doggy.
of prehistoric proportions.
We've got an island saved. Who's with us? What was that? It's my stomach. Those baby dinosaurs ate all my pup treats. Oh, come on!
No dino's too big, no pup's too small.
I can do this.
Paw Patrol, the Dino Movie.
No fair! I want a dinosaur BFF. Best friends forever. Oh, ow, 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 ow. Ah, okay, stop, never mind.
Ang mga tinututukang balita at istorya sa #1 newscast sa bansa. Hatid ng dekalibreng anchors at hosts ng GMA Integrated News. Mel Tiangco, Vicky Morales, Emil Sumangil. Kasama sina Iya, Kuya Kim, Martin, at ang buong puwersa ng GMA Integrated News. Team 24 Oras. Reporting for duty. Weeknight, 6:30 p.m.
Abdurrahman.
Cute kung titingnan, kaya tiyak na swak ang halaman na ito para sa mga plantito at plantita. Ito ang peyote cactus, pero babala ng Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency o PDEA. Hindi lang bawal, kundi illegal itong gawing ornamental plant. Meron daw kasi itong chemical substance na lubhang delikado na kung tawagin ay mescaline.
It is a substance that is classified as a dangerous drug base doon sa ating United Nations Convention on Psychotropic Drugs. It causes hallucinations, nausea, and meron din yung mga sakit sa ulo, vomiting. Ito yung recorded na adverse effects.
Wala pa naman daw reported na paggamit ng peyote cactus sa bansa, pero mahigpit daw itong minomonitor ng PDEA, lalo't may impormasyon silang ibinebenta ito online.
We sent out this advisory to warn the public, especially mga kabataan ho natin, dito sa mga masamang epekto ng paggamit ng peyote. Nakakuha tayo ng sample ng cactus, and we also tested the the plant for chemical substance.
Agad daw i-report ang sinumang nagmamay-ari ng nasabing halaman dahil hindi basta-basta ang parusang life imprisonment at multang aabot sa 10 milyong piso para sa sinumang mahuhulihan nito.
If you're just displaying that, that's already possession. So sa possession of dangerous drugs, may kakibat na penalty ho yan. If you're going to plant naman itong peyote, that's already cultivating. So that's cultivation of plant.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, Marisol Abduraman, Nakatuto, 24 Oras.